Next cut is going to be with the radius saw. It's a 4-blade saw designed specifically for making radius cuts. Depending on how many stops and cuts you make depends on the radius that you're going to get. So we'll make about 4 runs and it'll give you an idea of the radius that it will give you. So. All right, this is a close-up of the 4-blade saw after making 4 runs. You can make it just about any degree that you would want to. And you can continue on with the cut to make it go even more.